Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a GIF or GIF on Canva. So first, on the home page we need to choose a template, and in this case we probably want to use a video. So over here you should find a video. If not, then you can go to templates over here, and then you should also find videos here. You can also switch to videos here, and you can find a bunch of different designs prepared for you that you can of course use. I'm gonna choose this default one, the first one over here, video, and of course you can create a blank video, that's completely fine. And here you can start creating your GIF. Over here you have the timeline, so whatever you need to create, that's really up to you. Here you can pretty much start with it. You can also add in new pages if you want to make some transitions, let's say. But let's say I'm just gonna use this one as an example, just to quickly show you how you can save the project as a GIF. So after you are done with your animated image, you want to click on share in the top right corner over here, then go to download, and then over here where you have file type, you want to click it and change from MP4 video or whatever you have over here, and you want to find GIF, which should look like this. Of course it is a short clip with no sound, but you can select it and then click on download in order to save it. And after a few seconds you should be able, after it converts of course, you should be able to download the project as a GIF and save it on your PC. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.